Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create Google form. First, you can open google.com like this and then type Google form, and then you can click the Google form in Google search results and then go to personals, and you can create blank in here and you can type your form. Okay, got it. In here, I will give the name of my form, for example questionnaire like this, and then this is you can type a description. This is example questionnaire like this, and you can select the type of your Google form in here. Your Google form is in general, presentation, or quizzes. If general, this is usually using for general submission. Presentation is for presentations, and there is have show progress bar like this. And for quizzes, you can create questions in here, and then you have the response of the answer. For example, you can have values or grade in here. For example, in here, your name, for example, and this is short answer, or you can choose paragraph. Okay, and to add the section, you can add this, your name, for example, your address, for example, like this, and then this is short answer. You can have in here multiple choice if there is quizzes, but you must setting this for quizzes, it's better. Okay, and in here I will also select drop down. For example, this is option 1. Your gender, for example, this is male, female, and this is drop down. And how we can share our Google form, you can click send in here, and then choose this, and then you can copy this. Okay, and then you can close. For example, the result is like this. Okay, but if you're using Google for Business, there is another settings for how people outside of your organization is access your Google form, and you can uh, setting in here. Okay, that's all tutorial how to create Google form using Google. Thanks for watching.